Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have discussed the solubility, how the material are soluble in water. Some are insoluble in water. What we do when a material is insoluble in water? How can we separate it? Simple. Mama चाय बनाती है and she take a sieve chalni strainer, you can say. In scientific language we will say strainer. We will take the strainer and put the tea over here. Tea leaves which are solid and having large size particles, a smaller size particle liquid which is soluble passed, insoluble solid which is tea leaves. These are left behind and separate out with the strainer. This is simple way of the filtration. In this such kind of filtration also we can do in filtration of the water. छलनी से छानते ना. But in laboratory there is a funnel. There is diagram is given in your book. This is the funnel like this one, and in this funnel we put a paper, a special kind of the paper. This paper having a number of minute pores. Which is known as filter paper. This paper is known as filter paper. We will take this filter paper like this one, and we will take a filter paper and fold it. Suppose this is filter paper. We fold it like this, in this way, and put it into the funnel. Right? We put it into the funnel like this. Suppose this is the funnel, and in this we put it like this. Now the solution put over here. The filter paper having minute pores. The liquid which is filtered over here, and the insoluble solids will left behind on the filter paper. This is the way of the filtration. The filtration we can do by different kind of methods. Number one, we have used the strainer. Second one, filter paper. And the third example is your mom. What your mom do? She take purchase. She go to shop and purchase the filter for water. A filter made up of the cloth. This cloth is not normal cloth. It is muslin. It is the muslin cloth. This muslin cloth is also used to filter the water. This is the filtration. Now look over here. What is the filtration? The process of separation of the undissolved particles from a liquid. The process of separation of undissolved particles from a liquid by passing it through the fine holes. And by fine holes we obtain the filter. Right? The material which filter over here which passes through the filter, this material is known as filtrate. The liquid which passes through the filter strainer is known as filtrate, and the solid which is left behind over here, this is known as residue. The solid which is left behind over here is known as residue. In our houses, you know well, RO, reverse osmosis. Filter also we use RO, reverse osmosis filter. Right? And there are a number of the kind of the filters we use. In these filters there are candles, and through these candles the water passes forcefully, and when water passes forcefully, the solute are deposited over here, the water which filtrate away. The solute which is deposited over here, ultimately you will see the candle which is spoiled, जो कैंडल खराब हो जाती है, you will see that it become too much dirty due to the soil particles, due to the impurities. Now look over here, how will we separate soluble solids in water, in liquid. Soluble solids, salt and water. You know well, salt water. Sea water is the salt water, and from the sea we obtain the salt. बच्चों, when I was visited to Chennai to Pondicherry, I saw that there are some of the, here is beach, and near the beach there are a number of the pits. बड़े बड़े से खड्डे थे, उनके अंदर पानी, उधर से पानी भर रखा था. They filled with the water. These shallow pits which are filled with the water are known as lagoons. These are known as lagoons. And these lagoons, the water get evaporated slowly due to the sunlight, sun heat. Due to solar heat, solar energy, this water evaporated and it left behind the salt. यहाँ पर salt नीचे रह जाता है. These salt separate out, extract, obtained by the people. Later on, this salt is not pure salt. It is not suitable to consume directly because it contains a number of the salt and a number of the impurities like this one. So we will remove these impurities by the process of separation, purification of salt. Got it? The travelers, savers, you can say sailors. These sailors which travel, do journey for long time, many months, for many days, many years. अब तो नहीं, earlier time they took, सालों तक वो समंदर के अंदर ऐसे ही they do their journey. Then how they obtain the water? They heat the water. They take the sea water and heat it, evaporate it. They evaporate it. The process of conversion of water into water vapor. The process of conversion of water into water vapor is called as evaporation. This is called as evaporation. Water into water vapor. Evaporation. We do evaporate. Water evaporates like this, and it left behind the salts. The water that evaporates, it is stored in the form of, by using the sponge. They use the sponge and store these water vapor. उसको ठंडा करके रख देते होंगे, जिससे क्या होगा, वाटर जैसे वाटर evaporates, it by the water vapor cool down by gaining the cooling, and as the cool down, it convert into water again. They collect this water and use to drink. Got it? Now, not only these, we obtain the salt from the seas, we can obtain salt in our Rajasthan, Sambhar lake, Deedwana lake, Kochaman lake. These are some lakes. From these lakes, they contain salty water. these lakes contain salty water and we separate out the salts from this salty lake water.